we got contact, the guy lying in the bush here. Like one guy on the far left.
And there's a guy on the corner
one guy
there.
lying in that little ditch.
And there's a dude on the corner. Stretch.
What's right? Oh, what's right? So that's perfect.
Fuck, that's why I wish I had my sniper. Yeah. Getting there.
Just about.
Contact at crossroads. Yeah, contact at crossroads.
Nice one. Nice one.
Yeah, I would have killed both of those, dude.
Good man.
Okay, I'm gonna cover that again.
Okay.
Yeah, boys, we need 2 more blocks. 2 more blocks. I don't know where the other blocks are on. Okay, but we got contact down. Oh fuck, we can't lose the crate. They don't know if they... Okay, move up there and look for the 2 blocks. It's somewhere there.
Okay.
Medic him and look for the blocks.
Are you going to respawn?
London! Where is he? Soek hier ergens of er 2 fucking blokkies. Hy het ons het.
Net nog 2. Hey, wait, chat. Kom eens. In. 10. Guys, behind you, guys, behind you. Behind you. Red behind you.
Dara.
Yeah. Go on. Back in. Back in! Nader hardloop. Tien. Okay. Back in.
They're moving left. Contact left.
Watch out, contact right, contact right.
He's done. Oh, he moved anyway.
Is he down? I was about to say he's not down and out.
Can you see that come on me hook off? Take a copy side.
Okay, got it.
Just behind. You know where that path comes from Granite Rock? Yeah. Over the river? It's directly, if you're coming, it's directly. There, okay. There, that's where the box is, right where I'm shooting? That's where the fucking box is. There's two guys there, only two.
So ons sit dan net hier agter hierdie fucking daai twee pallette wat so teen mekaar staan. Een is in die binnekant, een is in die agterkant. Hit. Get! 10.
Primary hit.
20. 30.
Nice one, dude. Shoe high five. Boom. I think we got a roll.
Back in!